All right, guys. This is the 15th question out of 100 of the challenge, and I'm sure it has been so helpful to this very time. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for sharing the video to other learners. We appreciate that a lot. So now we have another question on logarithm, and we want to find the value of r. Now, how do we even get started? That's the next question you want to ask yourself. How do we get started? But one thing I observe here is that I kind of have log R common true. And this logarithm does not have any base. That tells me that this logarithm is automatically in base 10. And I'm having log R common in all the expression in the left hand side. So let me just apply the law of logarithm that will take this power behind. So here I have 2 log R, then I have 4 log R, then I have 8 log R, I have 16 log R, and lastly, I have 32 log R, and everything is equal to 62. So what do I do from here? Then I can add them up. So this is like 2 log. If I ask you what is 2x plus 4x, you want to tell me it is 6x, right? So in this case, log R is like the variable now. So what is 2 log R plus 4 log R? That will give us 6 log R. 6 log R plus 8 log R, that will give us how much? 14 log R. 14 plus 16, that will give us 30. And 30 plus this, that will give us 62, right? So everything here in this left hand side is simply 62 log R, and that is equal to 62. Perfect. Now you see everything is really clear right now. So for me, I can divide everybody by 62 so that this guy cancels out this one, and this will just give us 1. So what do we observe? Log R base 10 is equal to, I told you when the logarithm is written without any base, it's just in base 10. So how do I get rid of this logarithm to get my R? Then you think of it as 10 will take R 1 as its power. So we have R is equal to 10 to the 1. And that is the same as what? 10. So the answer is going to C. So you see, one thing about solving problem is that you just don't get scared. You want to look at the problem and see the possibility of solving it. So when you're afraid, you kind of miss out. Your mind is not working, your brain is not working. But when you look at the problem and you're calm, you're relaxed, you're patient, I'm sure you're going to have an idea on how to go about the solution. So if this one is helpful, please let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next video series. Bye for now and God bless.